Hey loves, it's Brianna. Get ready to clean with me in today's video because I'm doing a deep clean of my kitchen at night after a long day. I feel like the dishes and clutter just build up on a daily basis, and I am in the mood to clean tonight. So I hope that this gives you some cleaning motivation while you watch. And since this was the night before trash day, I wanted to do a kitchen pantry clean out and organization and clean out the refrigerator and have everything nice and clean and organized for the weekend and for the upcoming holidays. Make sure you click that red subscribe button if you're new, and I hope that we can also connect on my socials. I'm at bitsofbri on Instagram and Twitter. And if you like my cleaning videos and if my channel helps you and inspires you, please share my videos with your friends on your socials. I really appreciate it. And tonight I'm using an Iowa Pine multi-surface spray to wipe everything down so it makes the house smell so clean, like a fresh Christmas tree. But I hope that you're enjoying Vlogmas 2018. Let me know if you have any video requests in the comments or if there's anything else you'd like to see in the vlogs. I post every day at 8 a.m. Eastern Time now until Christmas. And I know I've shared with you guys how Adam had a concussion and he's had even more doctor's appointments this week because he's just not getting better. So he's been going to bed at the same time as the kids. So we truly appreciate any positive thoughts for him to recover right now. But I guess turning this lemon into lemonade, it means I can clean at night, get my to-do list done since I'm up alone. And especially on the days when life has just felt out of control lately, cleaning and organizing always seems to help me, especially when it comes to purging the house, cleaning out the pantry, cleaning out the fridge. So I'm doing it in this video and I'm planning on doing it in a lot more videos in the new year. But before I start cleaning out the fridge, I'd like to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's Clean With Me video. I have gotten HelloFresh for over a year now, and I've never had a bad meal. I love trying new recipes. They're so delicious. All of the ingredients are ready to go, and you'll be able to whip up dinner in around 30 minutes when you have HelloFresh on hand. And managing your account is so easy. You can choose the delivery date that matches your schedule best. You can pause deliveries for a vacation or around the holidays, and there are tons of kid-tested family plan recipes. That's the plan that I always order. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving and America's #1 meal kit. Get started with 6 meals free. That's 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter Brianna K60 for a total of $60 off. Time to clean out the fridge, and I want to share the letters of the day because if you're new here, there's a Vlogmas 2018 word scramble giveaway. So here are those letters of the day. Make sure you write them down. They're in every Vlogmas video, and then unscramble them and you can enter the Vlogmas giveaway. There's over $1,000 in prizes. And do me a favor, while you watch this video, just quickly click the notification bell and unclick it and then re-click it, because there's been a lot of issues with notifications on YouTube, and that's the advice YouTube has given us to fix it. So I want to make sure you're getting your notifications for the word scramble giveaway and for Vlogmas. So as I clean out this refrigerator, I'm just getting rid of any expired food and old leftovers. There were still some in here from Thanksgiving. Lord help me, so sick. but I just wiped down all of the surfaces and I feel like it's now organized and clean and just back in order now. And today's comment of the day is from Monica K. She said, for vlogs in 2019, would love it if you incorporated some motivational girl talk about lessons you've learned as a mom, daughter, wife, etc. You could draw inspiration from quotes, things that have happened to you that week, books you've read, something that was said to you in passing. I think it would be so nice to have moments to reflect and connect with you. Get into the mind of Brianna K a little bit, LOL. I love that idea, and I would just love to have more girl talk or girl chat with you guys in general, because whenever I get together with my girlfriends, and if you watch my birthday vlog, two of my best friends came over for wine and girl talk, and I included a little snippet of our girl chat, but we always leave saying, we need to do this more, because as women and as humans, we crave this. We crave community, but with life and kids and job responsibilities, it just can get so overwhelming sometimes. And just getting together for that in-person girl chat, like we would do at lunch at school and weekend sleepovers. And I'm seriously so grateful for this space, because even though I know there's tons of downsides to technology, the community that we have here, when I feel alone or isolated, it is so nice to know that you are out there, you can sympathize. So I just want to find more ways for us to have girl talks together. So let me know, should I keep doing the premieres more? Should I do lives? Or what would you like to see in 2019? Because I am seeking out your feedback. I really want to know your thoughts. What should we do with this tribe that we have going into the next year? So let me know in the comments. And today's motivational quote of the day is, blessed are those who believe without seeing. Since this is Christmas time and the season where as a Christian we're celebrating Jesus' birth, when I saw that quote, I felt compelled to share. I think it applies so much to life as women and mothers, especially thinking about we have a baby in our belly for 9 months that we dream about, or if you've experienced loss, you have that baby in your heart forever. And we have these dreams in our head for ourselves that we have to believe in, and they haven't happened for us yet. So maybe we haven't seen a woman who looks like us achieve those dreams yet, or maybe we're told by society or stereotypes that we can't or we shouldn't, but we have to push past that. That dream in your head belongs there, and you must believe it into reality. Don't give up today, or don't give up any other day. So when I wipe down my cabinets, and I usually do this once a month if I can, I use my dishwashing gloves because I use really hot water mixed with the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface spray, and I wipe them all down with a microfiber cloth, and it just makes it smell so fresh and clean afterwards. I love it. And for today's shout out of the day, I am going to send you all over to Jenna Kutcher on Instagram and on your podcast app. Search for the Goal Digger Podcast. GOAL, like a soccer goal, Goal Digger Podcast. I found her podcast a couple of months ago and I have been so hooked. They just have given me so much inspiration, and I feel like she shares such tangible advice on how to do things, whether you're having a side hustle or want to start your own business or you're an entrepreneur. She just gives incredible, really useful advice. And she's, I believe, overdue with her first baby right now. So been there, done that. Overdue is no picnic. So I'm sending her all of the most positive vibes possible. And she's just all about body positivity and empowering women. So I am obsessed with her, and I think you guys will love her too. So go follow her on Instagram and give her podcast a listen. And if you're inspired enough to comment on one of her pictures, let her know that I sent you. Next, I'm cleaning out my pantry. I did a big organization of my pantry around New Year's last year, and it stuck pretty well. So I just wanted to do the same as the fridge, get rid of any expired food. There were some items from our last grocery shop that I didn't take out of the boxes because I prefer to recycle the cardboard boxes and just have the food in bins and baskets, because then it takes up less space, it's easier to see everything, and I have all of the bins and baskets labeled with chalkboard labels that I got from the craft store. Thank you so much for watching this kitchen deep cleaning video. If you like Clean With Me's on my channel, make sure you click that thumbs up so that I know. Share it with a friend. That is so helpful. And there is a new video at 8 a.m. Eastern time every day until Christmas. So I'll see you tomorrow at 8. Bye, loves. And in the meantime, catch up on these videos here and make sure you start at Vlogmas video number 1 so that you can enter the word scramble giveaway.